Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make bread egg scramble. This is very easy to make and a very delicious breakfast recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, crack in 2 eggs. To this add a pinch of salt and beat it for 2 minutes until they turn fluffy. Now the eggs are done. Today I have taken 3 medium-sized bread slices. Cut them and keep it ready like this. Heat a pan and to this add the bread cubes. Level it a little. Now add the beaten egg. To this add a pinch of pepper powder and scramble the eggs. You'll not be needing any oil for this recipe. Scramble for a minute in medium flame. Now after a minute the eggs and the bread are well done and ready. So off the flame and sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Now a delicious bread egg scramble is ready. Serve it nice and hot and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy and a very quick recipe with very few ingredients. So do try this bread egg scramble recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.